Okay guys, just a little update, little walk around. It's not looking too bad for the sake of the money. I was kindly sent a GTI badge by a guy on Instagram, Escort _GTI _estate. Give him a follow, top guy, didn't want nothing for it. I get it to the top of the road after putting it all back together. Turn the key off, come in the house, go back out to it, wouldn't start. So, I've had to replace the board. What I didn't know was that the board had gone. So I've replaced the sensors in the behind the barrel, the little switches for the alarm and the immobilizer. Didn't work. I swapped the central locking module out, because this is basically an alarm ECU really, located down there. Did nothing. So I took the board apart and I did see some corrosion. I think I've got a picture. So I cleaned it all up, got some white spirit on it, tested all the contacts, seemed fine. Thinking about it all, I bit the bullet and bought a brand new board. So it's basically a new car, guys. It's now had a new board. It was £80, bought it on eBay. The guy drove it up, absolutely top guy. I'll put his username down below as well. Save the day here. Yeah, wow. So I'm going to put all this back together now. So when I turned it off at the top of the drive, the fuel pump wasn't priming. So I got a portable power supply, put it on the back seat. I knew the pump was fine because it would prime with the power supply. Don't get using 12-volt batteries, guys. Use a power supply, obviously sparks and things. Yeah, nuts.
Running switch is not, isn't it?
I dug out the black cabriolet. It's rough. I think every panel's got a mark on it. I chucked the roof off the red Mark 5 on this for now. Back chassis is rotted out. I've cleaned it all up. I've ordered a chassis plate. I'll put that on. Cracked bumper. Yeah, it's a mess. If I can get an MOT on it, we're quite chuffed. I hope you're all keeping well in this lockdown. Keeping safe. Bar me. Thanks for watching, guys.